The standing single arm dumbbell, preacher, hammer curl is an isolation exercise to target the biceps and brachialis. I like completing this on a preacher curl bench as I find it keeps the tension high and challenges the muscle throughout the full range of motion. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand facing a preacher curl bench with your feet shoulder width apart with your core engaged to create a stable base. Position your working arm over the top of the bench, resting the back of your upper arm against the incline pad to keep it stable. Hold the dumbbell in one hand using a hammer grip with your palm facing inward as if you were holding a hammer. Your shoulder should stay relaxed with only your forearm moving during the hammer curl. Slowly curl the dumbbell upwards towards your shoulder by flexing at the elbow. Focus on keeping a steady and controlled movement to avoid any swinging or jerking motion. As you reach the top of the curl, pause and squeeze your biceps and forearm muscles for a second to maximize the contraction. Keep your wrists straight and avoid any unnecessary rotation. Slowly lower the dumbbell back to the starting position, fully extending your arm while keeping tension on the bicep. Maintain control of the weight on the way down. Complete all the reps on one arm, then switch arms and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.